This is my review of the Bissell Featherweight vacuum cleaner. This is a really small and convenient vacuum for small jobs. What I like about it is that it's super powerful for its size, and then also the handle's detachable. So you can take the handle off here, and then it is just a handheld. So it has a handle here to hold your pinky in place, and then you can just use it like that, which is nice. It detaches right here. You open it up and then you clean it out and empty it. You just open this here and then empty out the debris. And now we will see how it works. Let me show you a demonstration of how it sucks up all this here. Just turn it on with this button here. Works great on hardwood floors and small projects.